Good morning, all of you. Today we will continue our chapter 7th of history, and today our topic is cultural developments of the period and development of printing technology, new concept of human beings, aspiration of women, and changes within the Christianity. So, the above topics we have already discussed in our previous video. Now, architectural developments of the period. In the 15th century, Rome made its mark in a spectral way. Since the popes were politically stronger by 1417 after the weakness caused by the election of two revival popes in 1378, they actively increased a study of Rome, and the new classical architecture was means actually a revival of the imperial Roman style. The wealthy merchant popes engaged those architects who were familiar with classical architecture. The artists and the sculptors began to decorate buildings with paintings, sculptures, and relief. Several persons were expert equally as painters, sculptors, and architects. So it was the architectural development or that period. Now, development of printing technology. European borrowed the idea of printing technology from the Chinese people because the European traders and diplomats become familiar with it during their visit to the Mongol ruler courts. Earlier texts were found in the hand of means a written form. Johannes Gutenberg, a German, made first printing press and printed 150 copies of the Bible in 1455. The same time, um, it was taken by a monk to write a single copy of Bible. All classical text in Latin had been printed in Italy by 1500 AD. So, with the availability of printing books, the dependency of students over lecture notes, it was ended. The idea of opinions and information spread widely and rapidly. The printing books promoted new views rapidly. This made uh, it possible for individuals to read books, and it was possible to buy a copy for oneself. The printing books were the chief factor to spread humanist culture quickly across the Alps by the end of the 15th century. Now, our next topic is the the concept of human beings. So what was the concept of human beings? One of the feature of humanist culture was losing of the control over religion over human life. The Italian remained religious, though they were attracted by the material wealth, power, and glory. A humanist from the Venice, Francisco, wrote pamphlet in defense in the possession of the wealth and called it a virtue. So there was a concern over good manners, that how one should speak politely and dress properly. Humanism spread that individuals were able of shaping their own lives through resources rather than the means search of power and money. This belief was linked with the view that human nature was many sided, which went against the three separate orders that feudal society believed in. So it was the new concept of human beings. Now, the aspirations of women, condition of women, the idea like individuality and citizenship regarding human beings excluded women. Um so at that time, society it was means the male he was the head of the family, and uh, the males they were the decision maker of their family. The son were provided uh, education to lead a family business or public life. Women had no say in business matter, though their dowry were invested in the family business and marriage, and they were a means to support business alliances. So At that time, women condition was not good. Now, changes within the Christianity. So, what was the changes within the Christianity? By the 15th and 16th century, the North European university scholars were attracted by the humanist ideas. Like Italian scholar, they also paid attention to classical Greek and Roman texts together with the sacred books of the Christians. The professional scholars led to the humanist movement, which also influenced the member of the church. So, the Christians, humanists like Thomas More of England and many other scholars, that the church in their respective country and had become a center of greed and extortion money and forcibly from common men. So means it was the changing within the Christianity, or means many scholars they have played a important role at that time. So these are our topics. Hope it is clear to all. Thank you so much.